how many of you are always worried about thread color?
Yeah.
Your thread color can actually whisper, talk, or shout what
Shout
your
is
quilt
good
is
and
saying.
bad.
Can you see it very well?
No.
Not really. But does it give it some texture?
Yes, it does.
Yeah, but on the back, you definitely can see the design a lot more because we used a thread color that shouted.
Yes.
I like to use the same color thread as what is on my back. Look at how that stands out.
Cute.
Let's say we have a multi-color design. One of the best things you can do when you're not sure what color thread to choose would be to choose what?
A gray, a neutral.
What are your tips as a quilter?
Pick out a couple different colors. And we're just gonna lay them on top. I can't even see that blue.
Yeah, so if you can hardly see it now,
Then we take that off.
unless you want just the texture.
But I'm gonna go to all that work.
You want it to show, right?
I'm teasing.